Good morning. It's early, we're up, the sun's not up, and we're out on a walk. So this morning we're heading to Ano Samos, which is the old Samos town. It's up on the hill at the end of the bay, and then we're going to take a bus to Pythagorio. And we're trying to avoid losing too much height because it's a walk up a hill. So we're trying to navigate along these top roads without getting lost and without ending in a dead end. Wish us luck. So this is the sort of thing we're trying to avoid going down too early. I reckon we'll end up going down there anyway, but there's certainly a lot of steps around this place. It's a beautiful town though. Really nice. It used to be quiet to walk around. Most of the streets are one way, so you can get an idea of which way the cars are going to be coming. Oh well, losing height was inevitable. We couldn't avoid it, so now we have to go back up a little bit. Look at the colour of that bougainvillea. Wow. You don't have to go very far in Greece before you see a very beautiful church. Lovely little church. There's a big cemetery up here. Won't be a minute. Have a quick look up here. Oh wow. Beautiful cemetery. Right, on with the walk. Okay, this might be our first mistake. We're following a walking track. We're actually using the Komoot app, K-O-M-O-O-T, which I've heard of but never used before. So we've downloaded a route, but when I downloaded it, it kind of didn't like where the route was, and so it changed it slightly. I think it's changed it onto this road on the right, whereas there is a walking track that goes to the top of the hill, which would be more pleasant I think, but it might take us to a slightly different place and we'll have to reconnect at the top. Not much of a road though. I don't know. I think the road, because that goes up that direction on the other side of this valley, and we want to go to that hill there. Yeah, I think we'll take the road. Well, we're going to find out if that was a good decision or not, because one of the maps has this road just dead ending. Another little church tucked into the hill there. So on Google Maps, this road ends right here. But
Google's right.
huh?
Google's right.
Oh, it does end.
Yep.
Oh, bother. Oh, there's stairs, hold on. No, there's a sign and an arrow, but it might be a bit too steep. And it's all washed out. Yeah, I think that other track looked much nicer. There's a track running up that gully. I think we'll go back. It looks just a little bit too off track for our liking. This other one looked much more sensible. It's not too far back. Okay, we're back here and we're going to take this track. Looks much more paved and easier to navigate than that one in the bush back there. So we're hoping this wasn't a big mistake. We're heading completely away from the hill with the village on it, and somehow, well, there's a road we can see, but I've got to get back over there. So we're going up this way, all these olive trees here, and we want to be over on that hill over there. So I've got to get round to there somehow. Oh well. I want to show you the rest of the view back down. Pretty sure this was a mistake. Now we're on a reasonably significant road with cars on it. It's the road that goes around the hill. Oh well, win some, lose some. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're going to get off this major road onto this more minor road. It's going in the right direction, but I still don't think it's going to take us all the way over there, but it did have the name of the theatre on there, so it's definitely the right way. Well, I'd say it's easier just to walk up from the bottom to the theatre rather than coming around here. Well, we're still on this road. It's pleasant walking though, it's nice and cool in the shade, not too much up. Lots of trees. Try and find the road that goes off to the right back to where we actually need to go. And we've walked a lot of distance that we didn't need to. So down there is the track that Komoot would have taken us on, up that gully from the bottom where the road dead ended. So that was probably, if you don't mind doing steep, was probably the better way to go. At least you're not on that busy road. But yeah, now we'll go and find the way down. Right, so we're back now on the Komoot trail that we downloaded. And this should be taking us to the theatre, I think. We're about to find out. Not a bad view. So it looks like the way into the amphitheatre is through this cafe, which is closed, so we're going in. Oh, it's quite modern. So it's a very old church here that's being restored as well. Okay, we were promised a good view from the church, so it's delivered on that. Because I'm on my phone, I can actually zoom in a little bit. So we're staying over on that piece there in the centre now. That's where we came from, up on the, yeah, directly in the middle of the screen now. And there's the ferry port that we're leaving on tomorrow. And over on the far left is where we came in on the ferry. So from here, there are no roads on the map marked. So I think we're just going to be taking steps down. Hopefully, because we're not going back the way we came. Right, now we're just got to find our way out and down from this rabbit warren. Oh, there's steps. That looks promising. Going down, that's us. Right, we flicked back over to the Komoot route, which took us up a short set of steps from where we just were. Now we're onto a little path road. I think it's going to take us past another, maybe a little castle or a church that's closed, but looks like it might be interesting. At least we're following a defined route. Oh, and there are cars up here. Well, if you can get a car here, then it must be the way down. So if you look at that little tiny gap in the track / road there, and then one down there, and then there's a car. How does a car get there? That's got to be just about scraping the sides. This gap here is tiny. Wow, it's... Oh, you've got to have some nervous moments driving around here. I'd love to see that. Got to buy a skinny car if you live here. There's quite a few under repair houses up here, and a few run down dilapidated ones. But it's a very pretty area to walk around. Oh, got us to a church. Not sure that's where we were meant to be going, but we'll call that a victory and a lot of luck. We're getting a bit lower, we're back into civilization. It looks like a cafe. Another little church here, and the road goes down that way, so that's one way you could come up or down. But it looks like there's a track running down there, so we're going to take that. Right, that might be the end of this video, I think. We're going to go to the bottom now, find a bus to Pythagorio. Probably be enough there for another video if I don't run out of battery. Right,